Rail tragedy that unfolded yesterday, in which 9 people, including 3 railway employees, have died. 32 people have been injured. This after an express train collided with a goods train in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal on Monday morning. The Kanchenjunga Express was travelling from Agartala in Tripura to Sealdah in Kolkata when a goods train hit it from behind near the Rangapani station close to New Jalpaiguri. Now, while a probe is still underway, what the railways at the moment is saying is that they suspect prima facie this to be a case of human error. What exactly transpired? How is it that the goods train missed the signal? What really went down? All of those are questions that need to be answered. Remember, it was also raining. Did weather play a factor? All of those are going to be key factors that will be considered. Meanwhile, both Mamata Banerjee and Ashwini Vaishnav reached the train accident site yesterday. Rescue and relief operations were launched immediately. Rescue operations have come to an end. There were 2 trains that were sent as relief trains in order to bring back all those people who were stranded. The goods train driver, like I said, overshot the signal, and prima facie it appears to be a case of human error, but it remains to be seen what happens. Meanwhile, politics is speaking over the incident, with the opposition upping the ante against the Modi government minister, demanding his resignation. The railway minister in his defence has said this is no time for politics. But Mamata Banerjee too, who was at the accident site, has said that accountability must be fixed. What's really happening at ground zero? What is the status at the moment? Let's go right across to Vedant Agarwal joining us with the very latest from ground zero. Vedant, you've been covering the details of this story from where the accident actually took place. Now, we're given to understand that the rescue operation concluded, around noon yesterday, and there were relief trains that were sent almost immediately. But what is the status at the moment, and what are you learning more about those who are still in hospital?
That's right, Trishika. In fact, it's raining heavily here. I come to you from the Rangapani station. Let me show you visuals this morning here, nearly 24 hours after that horrific accident took place. And what I can confirm to you right now is that the upline or the main line of this strategically important track has been restored. In fact, yesterday evening when we were reporting from here, it was an extremely difficult task to restore the upline, but that has been restored. In fact, it has now become operational. Meanwhile, restoration work is still underway as far as the down line is concerned. If I can ask my camera person to show you, this was one of the engines that was actually involved in the accident, and efforts are underway to sort of remove it from the track so that the track can become operational. But let me also show you visuals of the bogies of the goods train that had derailed. In fact, there you can see how they've been removed from the tracks now. In fact, Rishika, these are the parcel vans of the Kanchenjunga Express, and had those parcel vans not been there, the death toll could have been much higher. In fact, the parcel vans consumed much of the shock. Otherwise, the death toll could well have been in the double digits. But of course, restoration work is underway. Let me show you how NDRF officials, state rescue teams, top police officials, all present at the spot. But extremely moving visuals here as well, Rishika. If I can ask my camera person to show you how shoes lying around here at the accident spot. This shows you the extent of the tragedy. Books lying around, people's water bottles lying around, clothes lying around here at the accident spot. This shows you how unfortunate the accident actually was. Now, as far as the investigation is concerned, Rishika, while of course, as you said, prima facie, the railway says that it seems to be a case of human error, but you can see that it's the inclement weather is something that may have caused a signal failure as well. That is something that we hear on the ground. Of course, it's in the realm of investigation, but many say that because of the inclement weather, the automated signal interlock system that may have failed. But of course, that is something that will have to be probed. The railways continue to maintain that it was a human error. So while we talk about the Kavach, that angle of this signal failure is something that will also be investigated. In fact, railway officials are also present here. They are inspecting the spot. Will also recording statements, from eyewitnesses, etc. as well. And as far as the injured are concerned, remember 9 people died, 9 are critically injured as we speak, and that includes the assistant loco pilot as well. Now his account becomes extremely critical, and if I can ask my camera person to continue to show you these visuals, look at how people's passengers' clothes and their belongings are lying around this way on the track. So this shows you the extent of the tragedy and how unfortunate it is. This is not the first tragedy that we have seen as far as the northeast and eastern railways are concerned. This is strategically an important track, Rishika, because it connects the eastern railways to the northeastern railways.
So the track's cleared, Vedant. Have you seen movement of trains, or is the alternate route that the railways was talking about yesterday still being used?
Rishika, could you come again?
I said, has the track been cleared? Are other trains now passing by, or is an alternate track still being used? There was an alternate route that was talked about yesterday. Is that still being used?
Well, this is the very track, Rishika. This is the very track where the accident took place. In fact, this is the up line. If I can ask my camera person to pan and show you, this up line has been restored. In fact, this has become operational. In fact, we just saw a train pass by. So this has become operational. The down line is yet to be restored. That will be restored in the next 1 hour, is what we are being told. In fact, that engine has been removed as we speak. If I can ask my camera person to walk with me a little and show you, there was an engine here of the goods train that has been removed. So this track would be restored in the next 1 hour as well. So the restoration work will also be complete in the next 1 hour.
Vedant, what we're given to understand from the railways is that there was a crucial signal that was jumped by the goods train, which essentially led to this collision from the back. The goods train hit the Kanchenjunga Express from the back. Prima facie, the railways has maintained that this was a case of human error. Have you managed to establish any contact with the investigating authorities? Have you seen boots on the ground, people who are there to perhaps understand what happened? Do we have any more clarity on what happened?
Well, Rishika, we spoke to a Home Ministry representative who was here, as well as a Railways representative yesterday evening, and they say that an independent inquiry has been established as far as the railways are concerned, the Railways Commission. In fact, there are officials, representatives from the railways here at the spot. They are probing the incident independently as well. They continue to maintain, I asked them as to what really is the preliminary probe sort of pointing to, and they say that it is a human error, and it was a motorman who in a sense overshot the signal or disregarded the signal. But on the ground, when we speak to people, perhaps junior officials who perhaps would not like to come on record, they say that inclement weather, thunderstorm often causes the interlock system, the automated signal interlock system to fail. So whether it was that signal failure, that is something that will be probed. Of course, the opposition continues to demand a high level probe on it as well, but that is in the realm of investigation. But Rishika, let me quickly, before we move forward, let me show you these visuals of passengers' nail paints lying around. Extremely moving visuals here. There you can see that pair of shoes lying around there as well. So you can imagine the extent of the tragedy. And in fact, if I can ask my camera person to show you this as well, this is one of the bogies of the passenger train, the Kanchenjunga Express, and the impact can be imagined looking at the extent of damage that it has caused to the bogie. And had those parcel vans, as I said, not been there, the extent of the tragedy would have been much higher. But let's take a look at how the incident panned out. And yesterday, of course, you had Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw and Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also visit the spot. Take a look.
Mangled remains of a coach of the Kanchenjunga Express after a goods train rammed into the Sialdah-bound train from behind. At 8:30 a.m. this morning near New Jalpaiguri in Bengal, 9 people were killed, at least 50 others were injured. A total of 3 coaches of the Kanchenjunga Express were derailed. The force of the collision threw this parcel compartment of the Kanchenjunga Express up in the air. The 2 parcel vans at the end of the train absorbed the impact of the collision. Their absence could have led to loss of more lives if the goods train had hit passenger coaches directly.
एक ही पटरी पे शायद एक ट्रेन खड़ी थी या जा रही थी, शायद स्लो थी, और मतलब एक ट्रेन आ रही थी, आके जो है मतलब ऐसी दुर्घटना हुई है शायद।
जब ये घटना घटी तब टाइम हो रहा था अप्रॉक्स 8:35 मॉर्निंग। तो जितना हम लोग को पता चला, सामने कंचनजंगा जो एक्सप्रेस है वो धीरे गति से चल रहा था, वो खड़ा नहीं था, धीरे गति चल रहा था। पीछे से जो मालगाड़ी है वो अचानक बहुत स्पीड से था वो।
The railway board chief said the goods train driver had ignored a signal to stop.
ड्राइवर थे जिन्होंने वो सिग्नल को डिसरिगार्ड करके आगे चले गए, उनकी भी जान चली गई है, और जो गार्ड थे जो सबसे पीछे का डिब्बा था कंचनजंगा का, उनकी भी जान गई है।
दुर्घटना की जांच भी होगी, कमिश्नर रेल सेफ्टी के द्वारा दुर्घटना की जांच भी होगी। किसी भी तरीके से इस दुर्घटना के जो कारण है उस कारण पे भी पूरा ध्यान देके उस तरह के कारण फिर से कभी ना हो, वो व्यवस्था की जाएगी।
The incident has once again brought the focus back on Kavach, the anti-collision system the Indian Railways have adopted. The opposition attacked the Modi government over the incident, criticizing what they said was a slow-paced adoption of the Kavach system.
অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট হতেই পারে, অ্যাক্সিডেন্ট কারো হাতে নেই, এটা ফ্যাক্ট, কিন্তু সাথে সাথে এটাও ফ্যাক্ট অ্যান্টি কলিউশন ডিভাইস আমি তৈরি করে দিয়ে এসেছিলাম। এই যত দেখছেন কলকাতা মেট্রো থেকে শুরু করে, বেহালা থেকে শুরু করে যত নতুন মেট্রো, যত ইভেন এই যে গঙ্গা কি যেন বন্দে গঙ্গা টঙ্গার কি সব নাম দিয়ে যেন চালাচ্ছে বন্দে ভারত, এটা দুরন্ত একমাত্র স্পিড আপ হয়েছিল আফটার রাজধানী। সেটা কোথায় আমি জানি না, হয়তো সেটাকেই নকল করে একটা যেটুকু না করেছে তার থেকে বেশি ভাড়া বাড়িয়েছে।
कवच इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग जो कि प्रोलिफरेट करना है। ये एक मिशन मोड में बढ़ाया जा रहा है। ऑलरेडी हमारा करीब 1,500 किलोमीटर पे ये चल रहा है, और इस साल 3,000 और किलोमीटर पे कवच लग जाएगा। नेक्स्ट ईयर फिर 3,000 की और एक्स्ट्रा प्लानिंग है।
After every railway accident, there are calls for reassessment of safety measures and practices adopted by the Indian Railways. But in spite of the development of Kavach, a system designed to specifically prevent railway accidents like this one, it has faced challenges of scalability and expansion. Now, this has also become a political issue, with the opposition hitting out at the government, accusing it of mismanaging the railways over the last 10 years. With camera person GD Shankar, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.